Hello students, today I am going to discuss about an experiment, the rigidity modulus of a wire by torsional pendulum method. Okay, the aim of the experiment and torsional oscillation of a pendulum in different liquid and determine the rigidity modulus of a suspension wire using this torsional pendulum. This is your virtual lab. Okay, I am its opening from the mobile. Now the theory. In the theory part, a body is suspended by a thread or a wire, which is the twist in one direction and then it's reversed in the another direction, and it's called the horizontal plane is called the torsional pendulum, and the torsional pendulum is the time period of the torsional pendulum is given in the formula C. The T equals to 2 pi root over L by C, where L is the moment of inertia of that suspended body and C is the couple per unit twist. Okay, but we know that the expression of the couple of twist is C equals to half pi eta r to the power 4 by L, where n is the eta is the rigidity modulus of the suspension wire, r is the radius of the suspension wire, and n is the length of the suspension wire. Okay, now if we substitute this formula, that is C equals to half pi eta r to the power for L in the time period formula, then we can get the value of that rigidity modulus of suspension wire, which is eta equals to 8 pi L I r to the power 4 t square. Okay, where L is the moment of inertia, L is the length of the suspension wire, and r is the radius of the suspension wire, and d is the time period. Okay, here you can use the different type of object or the body, say cylindrical or disc or dumbbell type. Okay, the moment of inertia of the cylindrical body is the different formula, and the moment of inertia of the disc is the different. See, if we use the disc, the moment of inertia is half m r square. If we use the cylinder, then moment of inertia will be m into L square by 12 plus r square by 4, like that. Okay, so I am just going to in the simulation part. Now this is your simulation to determine the rigidity modulus of the suspension wire. See, the wire is hanging from the upper end, and there is a object, here is a cylinder. Okay, so if we enlarge this, there is a different variable portion. Okay, see, in the normal mode you can measure the length of the wire, radius of the wire, okay, mass of the object, and the length, the diameter of the object. But in the virtual mode, everything is given, you need to calculate only the time period. See, the stopwatch is here, so you need to calculate only the time period. Okay, but you can change the different thing, the variable, the string. If you click on that drop down arrow, three types of material is here, say copper, nylon, stainless steel. Okay, so you have to choose, say, copper. And the medium also be, there will be different, air, water, oil. First we have to choose the air medium. Okay, and the object again, there is a different object, cylinder, disc or dumbbell. Say we can use the disc. And the mass of the object, there is a slider. If from the slider you can change the mass of the object. See, I am changing the mass from the slider. Okay, say mass we have to fixed at 2, and the radius of the object, say it is fixed maybe 10, so you can change it maybe 12, 13, whatever you want to change. Say radius is maybe 13. Okay, and the C in the moment of inertia is already calculated in the ready-made form. See, the moment of inertia is 0.017 kg meter square. Okay, you don't need to calculate this, it is already calculated. Okay, and there is a checkbox. If we click on the stop checkbox, then it will not visible. If we click on the show stopwatch, it will be visible. And the graph also, if we click on the show graph, then graph will be visible. Okay, and next, the length of the string is visible, say 0.5 meter, and the radius of the string is given 0.0007 meter, and the viscosity also be given. So you need to calculate the time period. Now you have to give some amplitude. So amplitude variable slider is there. We have to choose the amplitude. Say you have to fix the amplitude 30 degree. Okay, now the disc is rotating at an angle 30 degree. Now this is your stopwatch. You want to start the stopwatch. There is a start button. If you click on this, say the stopwatch is counting. When you have to press the stop button, then stopwatch will be stop. Okay, and there is a button show the time period. If we click on that show time period button, see the time period is visible. Now the time period is say 4.433. So you need put all the value in the formula. Eta equals to 8 pi l I divided by r to the power 4 t square. So everything is given. You just put the value in the formula and you can get the rigidity modulus of the wire. Okay, suspension wire in the air. Okay, so there is nothing, only just calculate the time period. So after that you change the medium. When you have to calculate the value in the air medium, then you choose the water medium. Then you do the same thing in the formula again. When it put in the water, see everything is again reset form. So you can change it in the water form, then you can change it in the oil form. Okay, so you need take the time period for different medium, air, oil, water, and every time you calculate the time period, and then you can calculate the rigidity modulus of the wire, and you have to verify the value of the eta it's same or change. Okay, thank you for the patience.